Hey everyone, Mrs. Johnson here, and today I'm going to be showing you first how to add an assignment to your resources, and then I'm going to walk you through the 3 different ways that you can submit an assignment to Schoology. So first, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can add an assignment to your resources. Again, your resources is a great place to keep your work safe in a spot that you won't lose them. Now, before I can add a Google Doc to my resources, I first have to change it to a PDF. So to do so, I'm going to go back into my original Google Doc. Then I need to select File, down to Download, and then I'm going to select PDF Document. This will save my work straight to my desktop so that I can access it later. Now that I've downloaded the document into a PDF, now I can add it to my resources. So I'm back in Schoology. I'm going to select Resources. Then I'll select Add Resources, and I'm going to add it as a file. Next, I'll select Attach Files. Then, because I've saved the PDF to my desktop, I can access it straight away. I'll select the document and hit Open. Once it has downloaded and it says complete, I know it's safe for me to select Add. Now, as you can see, my grumpy cat reflection has been saved successfully to my resources. So that's the process that you can use to add any assignments that you've made into your resources, which will keep all of your assignments in a safe place for you. So now that I've walked you through that process, I want to show you the 3 different steps that you can take to submit an assignment to Schoology. So to do so, I'm going to go to an example class for you. I'm going to go to my CATS 101. And within this course, I needed to submit my assignment, and that takes place in Unit 1, Lesson 2. And so because this is the assignment that requires a submission, I'm going to open up that assignment now. As you can see, I have submitted this assignment 3 different times already because this is not my first take at this training video. And so just for the sake of the video, we're going to pretend like these submissions aren't here. So when you initially open an assignment that requires a submission, this button will actually just say Submit an Assignment. But again, because I've already submitted the assignment more than once, it says Resubmit Assignment. So to walk you through the process of the 3 different ways that you can add an assignment to Schoology, I'm going to select that button. And then from this pop-up box, it shows you your 3 different strategies that you can use to submit your assignment. First, you can upload it, you can create it, or you can add it from your resources. I'll start with the first option, which is to upload a file. So to do so, you can select Add a File, or you could even add an audio or video recording. Because this is a PDF document that I'm adding, I'm going to select File. Again, it brings me to my desktop, which I've already saved it to. Once I select that document, then I can select Open. If you need to, you can also add a comment if you need to explain anything to your teacher. And then once it says complete, it is safe to submit your assignment. To show you how to create a document, I'm going to select Resubmit Assignment. And I'm going to select this second tab. When you select Create, it's going to give you a text editing box, which is very similar to what you would see on Google Docs. So as you can see from my cursor, this is something that you can type straight into, and it gives you all of these text editing features so that your assignment is as organized and easy to read as possible. Because I didn't want you to watch me type, I just copied and pasted my work already. And so now that my work is within my text editing box, and it's the way that I want it to look, Now I can hit submit. And then your last way to submit an assignment to Schoology is to add it from your resources. So again, as you can see, your last tab there says resources. So I'm going to select that tab. It brings me to my resources. I select the document that I wish to submit, and then I'll select import. And as you can see from my many submissions, I have added my assignment successfully. So again, as I talked about in this video, there are 3 different ways that you can upload an assignment to Schoology. You can add it as a file. You can use the Create feature to type your document straight within the submission folder, or you can add it from your resources. If you have any questions about anything that I've talked to you about in this video, feel free to reach out to any one of your teachers, or you can talk to me about the questions that you have. Thanks for watching, everyone.